Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into one of the most trusted names in home water filtration, the ZeroWater 5-stage replacement filters. If you're serious about what's actually in your drinking water, this one's for you. Pause. Close-up of the filter pack being unboxed. Now, unlike typical 2-stage or 3-stage filters, ZeroWater takes purification a step further. Literally, this system uses a 5-stage filtration process to deliver water that's as close to pure HO as you can get without a lab. Let's break that down. Stage 1. A coarse filter screen removes suspended solids like dust, rust, and fine particles. Stage 2. Foam distributor evenly spreads water across the filter for balanced flow. Stage 3. A multi-layer activated carbon and oxidation reduction alloy layer removes chlorine taste, odor, and organic contaminants. Stage 4. Dual ion exchange resin captures dissolved solids, heavy metals like lead, chromium, and mercury, plus harmful compounds like PFOA and PFOS. Stage 5. The final fine mesh membrane polishes the water, delivering a crisp, refreshing, 0 TDS result. Pause. Show TDS meter displaying 000. And that's not a marketing gimmick. ZeroWater filters are NSF certified to reduce lead, chromium, PFOA, PFOS, and other heavy metals to nearly undetectable levels. They're one of the only filters on the market that consistently achieve zero total dissolved solids. That's how it got its name. Each filter can purify up to 20-25 gallons of water, depending on your local water quality, making this 3-pack an excellent long-term choice. Pause. Visuals of pouring clean water from a ZeroWater pitcher. Another highlight is the taste. You'll instantly notice the difference. No chemical smell, no metallic aftertaste, just pure, clean, refreshing water, every single time. It's compatible with all ZeroWater pitchers and dispensers, so whether you've got the compact 6-cup pitcher or the larger 30-cup dispenser, these filters fit perfectly. Pause. User taking a sip, smiling. In short, this is the kind of upgrade you feel immediately, not just in taste, but in peace of mind. With rising concerns about lead and PFOA contamination, investing in a certified 5-stage filter is a small change that makes a massive difference. So if you're ready to take control of your drinking water quality, the ZeroWater 5-stage replacement filters, 3-pack, are a must-have. Outro. Upbeat music fades in. Check out the link below and make sure every glass you drink is as pure as nature.